Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my mother's kitchen. It's been a while. Yes, it has. I'm sorry about that. So what we're doing today, quick and easy Vetkoek. So if you don't know what Vetkoek is, it's kind of like a donut. It's an Afrikaans dish. So like pannenkoek, we're making Vetkoek. Vetkoek directly translates to fat cake. Yes. It's cake that makes you fat that you fry. All right, cool. So, delicious. Apologize if you hear blessing barking throughout this video. So, to make Vetkoek, here's what you need. A cup of cake flour, an egg, 5 ml of baking powder, 125 ml of milk, and half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is sift all your dry ingredients into a bowl. Got a little bowl over here, my dry ingredients. And 5 ml of baking powder. Boop. All right, sift it all together. Pop, 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 pop. Perfect. All right, then what we do is beat the egg and the milk together. Let's see if I can do this left-handed. I don't think I can. I used to be able to do this. Not with my left hand though. Add your milk or water, whichever one you choose. Take a fork. I hurt my elbow yesterday, so I'm in a bit of pain. And you just beat it together. Good enough. All right, let's go back down there. Then we add this to this. And we just know we got blessing barking again. It's fine, everything's fine. And you just mix that together to make a dough. All right, so our dough is ready, and now we are just waiting for the oil to heat up so we can fry them up. So that's it. Yeah. And then we're probably going to cook up some scrambled eggs, get some cream cheese, make up some bacon, have breakfast. Happy Sunday, everyone. Baby boo! Look at how cute she is. Hello, my beautiful. Hello, my precious baby. You're so precious. I love you. No, you're so cute. She's getting porky. Okay, I'm not sure. I think it's hot enough. So, taking a tablespoon-sized scoop, you plop it in there. It's not hot enough. It might be hot enough now. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's do that again. Taking a tablespoon-sized scoop. You plop it in there. You cook until golden on one side and then flop it over and cook until golden on the other side. So we're going to cook a few. And I've just plonked them onto a little tray with paper towel, you know, just to get rid of that oil. Okay, so clearly not the healthiest dish in the whole world, but you know, it's still pretty good. I'm gonna taste one of the weird looking ones, this one I'm gonna taste. Oh, proper Vetkoek. And those you can do kind of whatever you want with them. You can make big ones and make burgers with them. You can serve them up with some jam and butter and some eggs. You can use it as toast. They're like a bread replacement almost. So yeah, so that is just a quick and easy recipe for how to make proper Afrikaans Vetkoek. That is that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me and this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.